I cannot believe gifting season is already here. Thousands of LTK creators have already created gift guides to help you find the perfect product for the people that you love and help you get ahead of any kind of shipping delays. My gift for you today is going to be to walk you through the LTK gift guides that you can find on my shop. First stop, let me show you my men's LTK gift guide. My husband Baxter has approved all of these products and I already pulled most of them from his wardrobe, so I can guarantee you that your guy will love them. The first is a pair of shoes that I actually found on LTK. They're called Misolo is the brand. They're leather shoes. I grabbed these for him to sort of have it something different in his wardrobe. We had really tennis shoes or very dressy shoes, but nothing in the middle. That's kind of what I call snappy casual. So we got him this woven pair that he loves and wears all the time, as you can already see. They also have these great huaraches that are perfect for summer. The next one is a fun one. We've got a lot of sports fans here. And this one is actually our alma mater, SMU, and you can find these customized cups that show your campus online. This is one of those things that you love it when you have it, but it's too late to go get it when you need it. And so getting ahead of this makes it fun and celebrating your team even better. Next, I want to show you the men's beauty products that my husband loves. This one is a Orbe texture spray. He actually stole this from me and now has his own supply. This texture spray is sort of like a hairspray, but you can still run your fingers through your hair. So it's a product that we love, both of us in our household, and that we go through very quickly. I also love this product for him. So this is the Orbe Gold Lust. I love to put this just on the very tips of his hair. So it just kind of makes it look a little bit more finished. But these products are all over our house. They always travel with him and make his hair look fantastic. This last gift for him is one of my favorites because it's a little unexpected. My husband noticed that I was wearing my children's names all over my rings and necklaces, but I had nothing for him. And so I found this beautiful dog tag necklace by designer Jane Wynn, who does beautiful coin jewelry. It comes at actually 2 different lengths, so you can choose how long you want to wear it. But the best part, on the back, you can engrave it. So I had my husband's name, but you could also add an anniversary date or some other special meaning to you. But this one's great because they feel very special and you get something beautiful to wear every day.